Hello students. Today we are ready for the next topic, that is ratio, proportion and rate problems, right? So in this class we will learn about what is the ratio, proportion and rate problems. We will discuss about this. So let's start with the ratio. What do you mean by ratio? A ratio is comparison between two or more quantities, right? Simplified like fraction. Okay, fraction or ratio. You you could say both are the same, right? For example, if there are 10 boys and 15 girls, the ratio of boys to girls is 10 boys. First, you have to write 10 boys and we have to find the ratio. So it means we have to divide by the 15 girls. GIRLS. And now, after simplification, what you have to give? 5, 2 times 10, 3 times 15, 2 over 3. Or you could write 2 is to 3, right? Both have same meaning. Sorry, it's 3. Next, what do you mean by proportion? Proportion means two ratios, right? It means two fractions like this: A over B, C over D are said to be proportion if they are equal. If they are equal, then we would say this is a proportion. For example, 2 over 3 is equal to 6 over 9. Why? Because after simplification, what we are getting? Divide by 3. 3 2 times 6 and in 3 times 9. So 2 over 3 is equals to 2 over 3. Both are same. LHS equals RHS. It means they are what? In proportion. Right? Next. Some ratio problem we will also discuss in this class. So question number 1, as you can see, divide $1,200 between A and a B in the ratio 2:3, right? So A and a B, two different people or whatever thing, and $1,200 divided by them. So he gets in 2 ratio, this gets in 3 ratio. If we add 2 plus 3, so the total amount is 5 in 5 ratio. Okay. For A, what we have to do, because he is getting 2, right? A is getting 2, B is getting 3. So for A, 2 upon 5 multiplied by $1,200. After cancellation, 5 2s are 10. 4 times and then 0. After multiplication, you will be getting $480, right? So A has $480. Okay. Similarly, you have to find for the B. B has ratio 3. 3. And what about the total ratio? Total ratio we have 5. And divided by in the same amount, right? Because we have to divide, only 1,200 is divided into both. Now again, you can simplify and you will be getting 240. 240 times 3, it is equal to 720. So $720, who is getting? B, right? That's how we solve the ratio problems. Okay. Next, question number 2. In a class, the ratio of boys to girls 4:5. If there are 36 boys, how many girls are there? Okay, got it. 4 and 5, right? 4 for what? For boys, 5 for girls. 36 is given for what? For boys, right? So how can we solve that type of question? Assume 4x for boys, for B for boys and G for girls. Girls 5x. 4x is equal to how much? 36, right? So if 4x is equals to 36, what we have to do? Divide by 4 both sides. So x equals 9, right? This is the value of x. And what the question is saying, how many girls are there? Girls 5 into x, 5 times 9, 45. So how many girls are there? 45 girls. Okay. Next, some proportion problems. Are the following in proportion? We have to check. This is the first fraction and this one is the second fraction. If both are equal, then yes, both are in proportion. If they are not equal, then it would be not in proportion. Okay, let's see. 8:12, or we could write in fraction 8/12. First, don't write the equal sign because we don't know right now. 10/12. Simplify this by table 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. And this we can divide by 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. So yes, good news. This is not Z equal sign. So the LHS equals to RHS. And you can see very clearly both are equal, right? So yes, they are in proportion. Next question. If 5 pens cost $60, right? The cost of 5 pens is equal to $60. What is the cost of 8 pens? Okay. So first we have to find cost of 1 pen. Okay. How can we find the cost of 1 pen? Cost of 5 pens is equals to $60, right? So for 1 pence, what we have to do? 60 divided by 5. How much it is? $12. So cost of 1 pen is equal to 12. So obviously for 8 pence, we have to multiply by 8. $96. Okay. So this is the cost of 8 pence. Again, we have a rate problems. Question number 7. A tap fills a tank in 4 hours, right? A tap. This is the name of a tap. A. What part of the tank is filled in 1.5 hours, right? So how can we find this? Rate. Rate means what? I have explained you in the previous slides. Let me show you again. Rate problems. Yeah, this one is the rate actually. After getting rate, then you will be able to solve the rate problems. Rate means what? A comparison of two quantities with different units, right? See very carefully and clearly. A comparison, okay? Comparison is okay for two quantities with different units. For example, a car travels 150 kilometers in 3 hours. This is in kilometer. This is in kilometer. This is the unit of distance. Distance. 3 hours. This is the unit of time. Right? Both are same? No. Both are different units. And here we are comparing. Right? What we are doing? We are comparing with two different quantities. So this is called your rate. Okay. That's the mean of the rate. After solving this, 50, and because we know that the unit of distance is kilometer and the unit of time is hour for this question hour. So the final unit would be kilometer per hour, right? Let's move to the question. Okay, good. So a tap fills a tank in 4 hours. What part of tank is filled in 1.5 hours? I mean the 1.5 hours. So can we do this? Rate equals one tank divided by 4 hours, right? Here, how many tanks are there? Or tank? One tank, T-A-N-K, and it fills in 4 hours. Both are with different unit, right? So 1/4 means what? 0.25. If we convert in decimal, I hope, do you know? You all know how to convert fraction into decimal. If you don't, let me know in the comment box. 0.25 tanks per hour. Per hour means in 1 hour, tank fills 0.25 tank. So if in 1 hour it fills that much. So what about 1.5 hours? Obviously, we have to multiply by 1.5. As you can see, after multiplication, you are getting 0.375 tanks. Right? That part would be filled after 1.5 hours. Right? In fraction, you can write 3/8, or in decimal, you can write 0.375. Another problem also with what? What type of question is this? Ratio, proportion, or rate? Here we have two different units. One is in kilometer, second one is in hours. So yes, this is the problem of rate change or rate problem. So what is the question? A cyclist travels 135 kilometers in 3 hours, right? What is his average speed? So as we all know, this is the formula for speed. Speed equals distance over time. Put the value and you can get the answer. After simplification, you will be getting 45 kilometers per hour. It means cyclist cyclist covers 45 kilometer in 1 hour, right? That's the mean of this short. In short, we can write like that. In language, we can write like this. That's all for now. Any kind of queries, please let me know in the comment box. From the next class, we will continue time and money application, right? So we will solve some question based on time and money. Okay, so don't miss it. See you in the next class. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.